In this lecture, we're going to look at setting up a VM, creating a VM actually in VMware vCenter 6.7. So you can go to your vCenter, you can go to VMs, and then you can go to Actions and just click on, no, actually you need to be in the host, excuse me. So you click on the host, go to VMs, click on Actions, you go New Virtual Machine. So to create a new virtual machine, I'm going to click Next. We're going to name our virtual machine, and we're going to select a location for the virtual machine. This is the data store. Data center. We're going to click Next. We're going to choose a location of the VM actually. We're going to choose it in 31. That's the ESXi host. Click Next. Choose the data store. We're going to choose the open filer and click Next. And then compatibility. It's going to be ESXi 6.7 or later. Click Next. Okay, so the Windows OS is actually a Linux, and it's a Ubuntu. Oh, that's neat. VMware Photon. That's kind of cool. So it's Ubuntu. Where's Ubuntu at? Is it even listed in here? CentOS. Okay. Other Linux 64-bit. That's fine. Not fully supported. Okay, let's choose another one. Let's go other. Let's do other Linux 64. That's good. Okay, click Next. So a couple different things. One CPU, gig or not gig, lower than that. Probably it's Linux, so we'll go 512 mega RAM. A new hard disk. We'll change it to thin client, thin provision, if you will, not thick. 16 gig is fine. Thin provision, right? So the network is VMware. The CD is actually in. It's actually in a host file, so that's host. The file is in. That should actually be data store actually. So data store. So I think it's data store. There it is right there. Tiny core current. Click OK. Yeah, that's fine. Yep, connect as power on, right? Okay, it takes care of our ISO file. Video card, other, that's fine. Click next. What's this VM's options? Yeah, we're fine there. So click next. And finally finish. Okay, after that is done, click on the actual Ubuntu Linux itself. You can click it, double click it here. And once you power it on, you're ready to install the OS. So thanks for viewing this tutorial on how to set up a VM in VMware on ESXi 6.7.